In this tutorial I will be telling you how to fool a neural network. So basically I have trained a neural network on a rock paper scissor classification. I will show you what are the examples of rock and what are the examples of scissor and paper. This type of hand denotes the paper sign, and this one denotes the rock sign, and this one denotes like a Caesar. Okay, we have a three signs, so basically classify the we will classify on three of on these three images. So I have trained a neural network, and this data set is basically publicly available and made by Lawrence Morney, which is currently working at Google. So after training this neural network, I can show you that this network is performing quite well and there is no overfitting. So the training and validation accuracy is almost same, but the validation frequency is fluctuating, but it's fine, but it's working, it works. Okay, so let me first show you how we can let me first show you an image to make you clarify that this is a paper image. Okay, this is paper image, and the answers will be in sequential form P, R and S. So this denotes that this is a paper, means the neural network has classified this image correctly. And we can try another one. Let's say I have here a rock sign. We have a rock image, means we will see that how it performs on this. Okay, basically first one denotes paper, second one denotes rock, and third one denotes Caesar. So it's according to alphabetical order. So I will let you we can check it on Caesar as well, so to know that the neural network is working quite well. Now it gives us. Now we will add simple perturbations, so to fool a neural network to misclassify the example. Basically here are the examples. This is original example. As we human can see, it is perfectly a paper image looking perfectly okay. And this one is basically same as the previous one, but here we have added noise. Okay, noise is added using MATLAB. So as we human can see it as a paper, there is no doubt. So let's now check this image, and I'm adding both the images, perturbated and normal one, so we can see the difference between them. Let's see, this one is the original one and this one is a uh, perturbated image. So let's see what happens. The first result will be of original one, and first result will be of the perturbated image, and second one of, like, okay, the noise dash paper 8.png is an image in which we have added a little perturbation. So the neural network has classified it as a Caesar one, and in the second one, which is original one, it is classified correctly as a paper image. Okay, it means neural network can be fooled by using small perturbation. Now I will tell you how I have added noise. Simply, I have read an image from the file just like rock and any other. Then I have used im noise function, which sorry, Gaussian noise is using. We are adding a 0.001 variance, and then we can show that this noise has been added. We can see our original image also, so to know that the noise is, so this one. Okay, so that's all about this, and thank you.